If you're looking for the best budget printer for home use, you're probably seeking for something that can meet everyone's needs. Your family may need to quickly copy documents to sign, scan delicate old images, or print lengthy essays or reports. A cheap cost per print is essential to help you stay inside your budget. In this video, I've thoroughly researched and tested the top 5 best printers in 2023 to help you make the perfect choice for all your printing needs. To learn more about the products, check out the links I've provided in the description box below, which are continually updated with the greatest pricing. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Canon All-in-One Printer. The TR8620 is an all-in-one printer, meaning it combines multiple functions into a single device. It can print, copy, scan, and fax, providing a comprehensive solution for various office tasks. The printer uses inkjet technology, offering high-quality prints for documents, photos, and graphics. The TR8620 supports multiple connectivity options, making it easy to print from various devices. It includes USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to connect it directly to your computer or share it across a network. Additionally, it supports wireless printing from smartphones and tablets using Canon's Print app, Apple AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, and Mopria Print Service. Number 4. Brother MFCJ1205W. The Brother MFCJ1205W features a compact and space-saving design, making it suitable for smaller workspaces. It has a clean and simple appearance with a user-friendly control panel for easy operation. The printer uses inkjet technology, which allows for high-quality color and black and white prints. It supports wireless printing, enabling users to print directly from their smartphones, tablets, or laptops without the need for physical connections. The built-in flatbed scanner allows for high-resolution scanning and copying of documents and photos. The scanner supports color scanning, making it suitable for preserving color documents and images. The MFCJ1205WS individual ink cartridges, allowing users to replace only the color that runs out. This can be more cost-effective compared to combined ink cartridges, as you only need to replace the specific colors that are empty. Number 3. Brother MFCJ4335DW. Ink vest in a printer you won't want to replace with up to 1 year of ink in box. Darwin experienced truly uninterrupted printing, exceptional savings, and super convenience with up to 1 year of ink using only the 4 cartridges provided in box. The simple-to-use free Brother Mobile Connect 3 app delivers easy on-screen menu navigation for printing, copying, scanning, and device management from your mobile device. The Inkvestment Tank's internal tank works with re-engineered Inkvestment Tank ink cartridges to eliminate manual refilling. This helps to deliver more pages of convenient, worry-free printing without sacrificing the compact desktop size. The easy-to-use front-loading plug-in Inkvestment Tank ink cartridges hold more ink than traditional cartridges to continually supply ink to the internal tank, so you get more pages without needing to refill. When refilling is needed, simply take out the empty cartridge, plug in a replacement, and get back to printing with no waiting and no mess. Number 2. Epson EcoTank EOT3850. The printer uses inkjet technology, offering high-quality color and black and white prints. With its EcoTank system, it comes with large ink reservoirs that are easy to refill, significantly reducing the cost of ink compared to traditional cartridge-based printers. The main highlight of the EcoTank series is its large, refillable ink tanks. The AE3850 comes with a set of high-capacity ink bottles that can last for thousands of pages before needing a refill. This makes it a cost-effective option for users with high printing demands. The printer features a user-friendly control panel with an intuitive color touchscreen display. The display allows for easy navigation and access to various functions and settings. Save up to $80 with low-cost replacement ink bottles versus ink cartridges. That's about $2,000 on each set, enough ink to print up to 6,200 pages color. Number 1. Epson EcoTank ET8500. High-capacity ink tanks mean no more tiny, expensive ink cartridges. Epson's exclusive EcoTank bottles make filling easy and worry-free. Save up to 9 times per elite with replacement ink bottles vs. Ink cartridges are test about bottles enough to print up to 7,500 pages black second 500 pages black thax, locally equivalent to about 90 individual ink cartridges. By using an EcoTank printer, you can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills. High-resolution flatbed scanner and a 2.4 color display for easy document copying and navigation. auto document feeder, paper-saving auto two-sided printing, and a 250 sheet paper tray for high productivity.